Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy M52 5G and let me show you how to turn on and off camera grid lines at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to left corner button. When we pick it, we can open camera settings. Now we have to slide a little bit down to useful features category, and here at the second position we have the grid lines, so by using the button from the right we can easily turn them on and turn them off as we need. Now let me keep them turned on, and when we move back to the camera we have these lines in the preview. They are useful, for example, when we want to use the rule of third in photography or making experiments with composition of our picture. And of course remember that these lines are not visible at the real photo, so when I take a picture and when I go to left to the button that follows us straight to the gallery, we can't see them, so they are only to help us taking better photos. And of course when we don't need them, we have to move back to left corner settings, slide down to useful features, tap to the button with grid lines, and for now in the preview they have gone. That's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.